Super striker. Female footballers from 5 high schools had the opportunity to showcase their skills to several overseas scouts. This at the annual Tarania Plum Clark Invitational recently. Here's Garfield Jones with that story.
The event held in honor of former reggae girl Tarania Clark, who died in 2019, also served as a platform for college coaches to have a look at some local talents. The players were drawn from 5 schools: Merle Grove High, Eltham High, Camperdown, Edith Dalton James, and Excelsior High. Former Reggae Girls head coach Hugh Menzies was integral in organizing the event and explained the thought process behind it.
Well, obviously it's a platform for them to get looked at and recruited from, and obviously the big thing for me is to give them the exposure, because I don't think they get the proper exposure out here. So this is a platform for us to bring college coaches in to actually see the culture, where they're coming from, and even work harder for them to get them into their school. So we want them to come back. We want the college coaches to come here and educate the players on what is out there for them.
According to Menzies, the event has been reaping success over the years.
Last year was good. Destiny Powell. The year before that was Buckley. I know she's going to the top school in America. She was Junior College Player of the Year last year. And she came out of this event. So we feel confident we're going to start getting more and more players.
Former Reggae Girls assistant coach Xavier Gilbert, who was Clark's coach at Excelsior, says the event was multifaceted.
The late Tarania Clark, former Excelsior captain and former Reggae Girl. But it's really to give the kids an opportunity to go to college. College coaches are here. And it's also a pre-season tournament for them heading into the high school competition. So we thought that it was important to continue, one, the legacy of Tarania Clark, and two, give the young ladies an opportunity to be scouted. It's a showcase, and for them to showcase their talent and get scholarships to go overseas.
Coach at the Daytona State College, Hope Clark, says she has been impressed with the talent on display.
It's been good. Some new players this year. I can tell that they've been putting in the work, and it's good to see a little bit more organized in some of the teams here, and definitely some good talent that we'll be tracking for sure.
Coach Menzies added that the national program stands to benefit from players landing scholarships.
Definitely, because obviously they have the resources over there to develop them, and then they come back and play in the national teams and so forth. Yeah, so most definitely the college is a great platform for them to develop as players too.
The one-day football festival was held at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.